Many of us have experienced itchy skin. Dry weather and even stress can trigger itching. But the real bummer? Most creams only provide relief for minutes, not hours. So can we find a natural and safe way to relieve itching without harsh chemicals? Of course there is. Let me tell you. Skin saviors, salt and apple cider vinegar. Salt soothes inflammation, while apple cider vinegar restores balance to the skin. Together, they're a powerful skin first aid solution and it works fast. This method also has scientific basis. Acetic acid kills bacteria, salt soothes swelling, and both can also protect the skin barrier. How to use? Mix salt and apple cider vinegar and gently apply to itchy areas. Rinse with clean water after 10 minutes. You will feel the improvement quickly. It's safe, but don't use it on broken skin. If you have particularly sensitive skin, it's recommended to do a spot test first. Try it today. It's natural, cheap, and effective. In the next episode, we'll see if you use facial masks and which mask is really suitable for you. Remember to subscribe to the channel not to miss it.